What's good, y'all? Today, we're going to go up to people and sneeze on their neck. Now, thank y'all for 1,000 subscribers. Next goal is 2,000, baby! Now, let's get into the video right now. Damn, COVID? Fuck. Fuck.
Messing around with our guests. If we get any more complaints, I will kick you out of the store. If I do get another complaint or if a member tells me, I will kick you guys out.
You guys don't control the mask?
Excuse me, what happened?
You're sneezing on the top of me.
I'm sorry.
I feel in your saliva in the top of me.
I'm sorry. What happened again?
Dude, what? I just came into this nigga saying I'm sorry. What?
Nigga, she started to told me she was like, you sneezed on top of me.
As you're saying you're taking pictures of them, so I need you guys to leave the store. We got a lot of Karens.
Yeah.
Of course.
There was a lady inside the store and somebody sneezed on her and the guys didn't have a mask on and she's having a fit.
Damn.
Believe in the hype if you want to. Subscribers got game!
Yeah.
Let's get striking! Let's get striking!
Bet. Is it recording?
Yeah. Oh shit.